Backing a tractor-trailer accurately and safely is a skill to be learned and mastered. You'll run into all kinds of different backing situations in your career, but this video demonstrates one of the most common, the straight-in maneuver. Here's a hint. It all starts with a good setup. Ready? Let's give it a shot. When backing into a dock among a row of trailers, drive perpendicular to the row of trailers until you come to the dock you're going to back into. As a reference, you should be about 4 to 6 feet, or a little less than 2 meters out from the parked trailers. Stop when your drive wheels are aligned with the dock you want to back into. Get out of the truck and visually check that the drive axles are centered with the dock and that there are no obstructions in your path. Make sure the 2 adjacent trailers are straight and not blocking your intended path. Next, turn on the 4-way flashers and turn the steering wheel all the way to the right to the stops. Check your right-hand mirror for traffic approaching from behind. If the path is clear, release the brakes, sound the horn, put the truck in gear and slowly begin the turn. Hold the turn with the wheel at the stops until you're just about to lose sight of the trailer axles in the convex mirror on the right. At this point, the tractor will be close to 90 degrees from the trailer. Don't pull too far into this turn, as you could put the trailer up against the back of the cab, damaging the side extenders. From this position, swing the steering wheel hard to the left to straighten out. As you're turning, watch the mirrors for the gap between the 2 trailers you're trying to park between to appear in your mirrors. If you have enough room to pull far enough forward, you'll find yourself straight and directly aligned with your target. Before you complete the backing maneuver, exit the cab and open the doors. Make sure the doors are held securely open. This also provides an opportunity to make one final check of the pathway into the dock. Make sure the way is clear. If you don't have room to pull up completely straight, steer the trailer with gentle turns of the steering wheel towards the opening between the adjacent trailers. If you keep a foot or so between your trailer and the trailer on your left, you will clear the trailer on the right. If you're even the slightest bit unsure if you have adequate clearance on the right, get out and look. Continue reversing slowly until you bump the dock. Backing is always a risky maneuver because you can't see behind the truck or to the right when the cab isn't aligned straight with the trailer. If you set up the maneuver properly, you'll have a pretty good chance at getting into that dock on the first try.